Hi everybody, today I am going to show you how to create this image in Canva. So let's start. First of all, click on create art design. So we are going to take thumbnail page. Okay, so I am choosing the chili. Okay, search here your image, like I am choosing this one, and decrease the size, flip it horizontal, and go on apps, type here, type craft, and click on the first app, and now type here your text. Like my text is chili, so I'm taking this one, and choose the writing and done. Go back, change the color to white. After that, now adjust it. Wait, adjust it like this. Add element to design. Okay, so now let's adjust it. Update element. And now we have to do it same, move down, update element. Okay, so now you can see that I have adjusted the text with my image. So wait a second. Okay, so now duplicate the page and delete the chili. After that, go on elements section, go back and select this box and change the color to black. After that, go on three dot, go on layer, send backward. Okay, so select the box, select the box and adjust it. Okay, so now it's good. After that, go on share and download it. Page number 2, download. Okay, so now the image is downloaded. So now drag it to your upload section. After that, come on the first page, select your image and adjust it. But first of all, you have to delete your text. And now drag it on the full page. Wait. After that, go on edit image, select BG remove and go on duotone, select custom and change the color to white. Okay, so after that, drag it like this, like this. So it's looking amazing. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to learn more about Canva.
Yeah.